Alright guys, real quick, I just want to tell you what I want to see. So price, basically we looking for sales. I'm just gonna keep it very simple. Basically we looking for sales. Price broke this area, shot down all the way to this level down here. Now we around in this area. Price kind of had this consolidation thing and then it dropped. That's what I'm kind of looking for. Right now, honestly, all these highs above here, respect it, respect it, respect it. These lows have not got swapped out, so maybe if we have these miniature highs get respected and price just rolls over at 930, I would gladly take this trade, put stop loss above here, and try to take out these lows and even try to hold it down to here, uh, which is mainly what I will be going for. And I'll probably be like around 230, and I just gotta aim to get 50 pips. Quick play for the week, you know. Now that's if Nasdaq decides to come back up, because if Nasdaq does what it did yesterday and woke up and it was like 8 o'clock and Nasdaq was like printing still like right here, I'm not taking that. I want to wait till I get in my safe zone. It doesn't break any highs. Okay, cool. Right here, it gives us a story. Now we're gonna aim to take out these weak lows because price came down. It took out this low, then take out this low. Then tried to take out this high on the 1 hour, failed. Cool, that's good. On a 5 minute, it actually took this out. But what we want to see, like again, we don't want to see price break this level, and then we want to aim for these lows, possibly take out these lows, and that'll be the first. I don't know why I can't draw extremely straight. This will be the next major level, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for today. Peace and blessings to you all. Hopefully we get these pips today. Let's get it.